coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Pakistan. This is Kolson with their Noodle Doodle Chunky Chicken. Noodle Doodle Noodle Doodle Noodle Doodle. Yeah, weird, huh? So I will just get to it. It's a multi-pack. But, whoa. 350 mils of water for 3 minutes. Burl it up, you know. It has a sachet with some weird writing on it. I think we'll have to look at that. There's that. There we go. So, yeah, let's see. Noodle doodle. Oh no. So sometimes I get weird, I call them eyeball headaches, and I'm having one right now. I don't have like a headache per se. My head doesn't hurt. But all of a sudden I see funny things in my vision periphery and such, and that's like unhelpful. So, yeah. Things be looking funny right about now. It's not a bad one. I've got ones where like the edges of my eyelids start to burn. That is definitely no bueno. That hadn't happened in a while. But every once in a while, usually it's like for example, don't give me a Slim Jim. Slim Jims for some reason just like make my whole system go into like level 10. Whoa, shouldn't have done that. But hey, for the guy who flipped out on me the other day for talking about politics, I'm going to talk about politics. So it's October 28th, and they've got the big election on November 8th, and we already voted, and we did it the same day we got our ballots. The same day or the next day, I can't remember. But I was thinking about it and yammering with my old buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock earlier. And we came to the topic of voter ID. And there's the idea that, you know, you have to show an ID to vote. Well, there's a problem with that. I lost my ID a while back. Of course, I found it later after I got a new one. But I think an ID card costs like about $50. And for a lot of people, that's a chunk of change. So, to do voter ID, why not make it so it's more inclusive by not charging anything for identification cards? But that would be, I think that's like a chunk of revenue comes in from charging people to be able to prove that they are who they are. Which seems really surreal, doesn't it? I mean, if you're to be able to vet that you exist and you are who you are, should that really cost anything? Isn't that kind of a right to be able to legally be who you say you are? I don't know. It just seems really strange. Yeah, I think IDs go for like $50. They're not cheap. And it's just a little rectangle that's easily lost by plenty of people who easily lose things. I don't usually lose mine, but I misplace things and then find them at a later time. It's like I lost my keys the other day. I was looking everywhere for them, and they were exactly in the first place I looked for them. They were in my coat pocket. So we were already talking like, well, I can get this one replaced, and you know, we can just get duplicates of my wife's keys and stuff. It's like, no, they'll turn up, and they did, luckily. Noodle Doodle Chunky Chicken. Smelled like a chicken instant noodle to me. I'm going to say right now, I do like the consistency of Pakistani instant noodles. They seem to have a little bit more backbone than a lot of them. They're not as soft. Yeah. This is definitely like a standard instant. I don't even know if these are actually, it says product of Pakistan. Maybe they are making them in Pakistan. But for some reason, this noodle really reminds me of something that would come out of a private label out of China. I don't know, but... The broth has kind of a chicken condensed soup, kind of like, what do you call it? Like, think of Campbell's chicken noodle soup, or chicken noodle-os, or something like that. It definitely has that kind of thing going on with it, which is good. I mean, it's nice, comfort foodie kind of broth. Whoa! If anybody has a great idea on exactly how to make bowls dead center on this, other than have like better eyeballs or something smart-assy, let me know, because I would love to learn how to make this thing be dead center. So when I do video, I'd love to be able to like just have intros and outros of this thing rotating and be centered. That'd be nice. I like things that rotate. I think you do too. That's chicken. So what I did, thawed out some chicken, put it in a skillet with a little cooking spray, dumped on a bunch of shawarma seasoning, you know, shawarma, and a little bit of Maggi. So, I'll show you what that is. I think somebody the other day said, "Who's Maggi? What is this Maggi you talk about?" I didn't really know much. I'd seen it before, but I didn't know anything about it until recently, and this stuff's pretty good. So, it's not soy sauce, but it's called, you use it kind of the same way. This is Maggi. If you've seen this bottle before, this is Maggi seasoning. And there's different versions for different areas. There's like, the Mexican version is like Maggi Yugo or Jugo Maggi. I don't know, but there's lots of them. I tried the one made in Mexico. This is the German Das Gusi Trabchen Ugus. I don't know, but it's good. It's good. It's kind of like, think of soy sauce, but it's made with wheat instead of soybeans. So, I don't know. But it's good. I enjoy it thoroughly. And I wish I had known about it a long time ago, because it's a really apt, useful seasoning. I'm going to throw some of these on here too. Spring onion, chicken, sesame seed, and a little bit of fried onion. Oh, look at that. In my fried onion, there's an onion skin. I will have to complain to the Fresh Express people about that. That's really unnecessary. Pick through your junk a little bit better, why don't you? Anyways, well, this one from Pakistan is not bad. It's decent. Very, yeah, comfort foodie. So you can look at that now. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, that's it for me for today. So, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.